This tutorial will teach you all about skill mode. Skill mode challenges are similar to story mode challenges. However, their purpose is to provide students with extra practice rather than teach them new concepts. There are two ways to access skill mode challenges. The first is through scrolling down to the My Activities section on your home page. There you will see skill mode courses. The other way to access skill mode challenges is through clicking on any of the coding adventure courses. Once you enter a challenge, you can click on the green map on the right side of your screen, and you will see that there are two tabs, Story Mode and Skill Mode. The default is Story Mode. If you skip over to Skill Mode, you will see the Skill Mode challenges. As a teacher, I can access all of them at any time. Students, however, have to solve a certain amount of Story Mode challenges in order to continue to the Skill Mode challenges. For students, some Skill Mode challenges will be locked based on where they are in Story Mode. To unlock the rest of Skill Mode, they need to continue solving Story Mode challenges. Thank you for watching this video on Skill Mode. Like it if you found it helpful.